Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I will be showing how to fix this issue when you want to reset your PC and it says that REAGENTC.EXE the Windows reimage was not found. So this happens due to your Windows recovery environment is corrupted or it is not made on our system. So we can easily fix this issue step by step. Basically what you need to do is I have seen many steps to fix this issue, but the working steps you can follow is just download your US bootable pen drive or the ISO file you have. Just you need to go to the website, any website, and open your Windows 11 ISO and simply download the Windows 11 or 10 ISO from the official source here and simply download it. Click on download, and once you downloaded this ISO, similar for the Windows 10 as well, just replace it with Windows 10 and go to similar website and download the ISO file. Once you have downloaded the ISO file, what you can do is I'm closing this since I have already downloaded the ISO file, and here are my ISO file here. So let's say you are using Windows 11 latest version, this one. So what you need to do is you need to extract this ISO, make a right click on it and show more options. So I'm going to mount it. Now it is mounted successfully. Now right click and simply open it. Once you open it, go to the sources folder, and here you need to look for install.wim folder. This is the largest size you have. Basically you can filter out with the size, just click on size, or you can search it here, install.wim. I have found it by filtering it. Basically we need this folder to extract into the recovery drive. So basically when we run the command prompt and type here reagentc space -info, and when we try to enable it, I have already enabled it. So basically this directory is stored in a C drive, where let me show you Windows system 32, here is, then recovery, press R, and here is recovery, and inside these files just go for a view and look for show hidden files folders here. Also additionally you can go to options, and for the time being just untick this option, hide protected the recommended file. Click yes, apply, and then OK. So basically we are going to replace wim.r. Let me show you how you can replace it. First of all, we need to copy this folder, and here is the command. Okay, this is the command. Basically just you need to paste it into the C drive, install.wim. Open your C drive and simply paste it here. Now once you pasted it here, we need to make a mount folder here so that it can be mounted directly into install.wim into this folder. So you can name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it mount, and basically we need to look for this folder winre.wim. Now it is paste here, make a right click, new, and make a folder name mount. Now install.wim will be mounted inside this folder. Now let's open the command prompt as administrator here, and what you need to do is simply you need to type this command here. Simply you can copy and paste this command from my description box, or you can see on the screen as well. Type it, press enter, and once you press enter, this install.wim will be extracted to C and then mount folder here. And once it is extracted, we need to simply copy and paste this winre.wim. Just we need to wait here for some time. It will take some time. Now it has started. Now it's almost done. Now it is completed. Now go to your mount folder here and again look for Windows, System 32 and recovery. Here is, and once you see this recovery, you can see win re.wim. You need to right click on this and now open your system directory where the original Windows is installed. Double click C drive, Windows, then System 32. This is very important. We are going into our system drive, not the different drive where we mounted it. Now look for recovery, R, press R, and now paste this here. It may ask you to confirm yes. If old one is already present here, you need to delete that, and once you deleted that, you can paste it here, the new one, latest one. And now try to run this command again and your issue will be fixed easily. So this is a fix, guys, to fix this issue, and I hope this solution works for you. You can also delete this mount one and also install.wim. There is no need to keep them. So this is the video, guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.